We enter trades by breaking the trend line, but from an area whose location we don't know, the trend reverses, and this is extremely frustrating. Look at this example. Exactly like before, the trend line broke downward, but the trend didn't continue in the direction of the breakout. Could there be a specific reason for this? Yes, stay with me, and I'll tell you what the main reason for this usually is. Before you continue with the lesson, please subscribe to my channel and support me so I can have the energy to produce very strong content. Thank you so much. Now, let's go back to the chart. Please pay close attention. Starting from the left side of the chart, we see an upward channel because we're seeing higher highs and higher lows, and we can draw a channel. The very important point I want to talk about in this video is this area. Everyone, after seeing these good bearish candles, is looking to enter heavy sell positions. Friends, please don't enter positions with very large volumes, and always consider risk management in every trade. Don't risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital in any single trade. I've taught you in previous videos that if, after breaking the channel, the price doesn't move in the direction of the breakout, you're probably trading against the main market direction, which is exactly correct. But in this video, I want to teach you an easier method to understand this so everyone can grasp it. Points on the chart that have reacted to an area at least twice are among the important price action points for us and are very significant. For example, look at this part. The price has tried twice to break upward and has created a very good area for us. This exact area has stopped the price drop and pushed the price into a trading range. If your trading strategy is to enter trades by breaking channels, first, make sure the overall chart isn't too bullish, and secondly, always identify these areas. If that area breaks downward, be ready to enter a sell position, but don't enter recklessly at the initial breakout. Now let's look at the next interesting example. We see a bearish spike, an entry into the channel. The channel broke upward, but only rose to a certain area before dropping again. This happens very often. Be very careful to identify a valid level that has had multiple touches and understand where and which area the price reacted to. The important area here initially acted as support, but after the breakout, it turned into resistance and had several resistance reactions. So, this level is very important for us. If we extend this area, we'll clearly see that the reason for the price reversal was precisely due to this area, and it left all buyers disappointed and stopped out. The best approach is to wait for this level to break upward, and then enter a buy trade on the pullback to significantly increase your probability of success. The next example I think happens to you every day, and you'll enjoy seeing and understanding it. So let's break it down and understand what the market is doing to us. Honestly, I had this problem for several months, where I'd draw the channel and wait for it to break, but after the breakout, it would drop a little, and then quickly bounce back up. But whenever you get frustrated and impatient seeing these movements, remember that in the end, the one who gets hurt is you. Instead of feeling hopeless, always try to figure out why this happened and what solution you can come up with. Now, why did the price go up from here? Look, the price had created a price action area. And if we draw this area, we'll see that the price reacted exactly to this level and moved upward. It's that simple. If you try to overcomplicate and overanalyze price movements, you'll definitely fall into a vicious cycle. The market moves based on probabilities, and no matter how much you overanalyze, the probability of success won't increase beyond a certain point. It will only harm your mindset and decision-making. So, try to analyze the chart simply and deeply, and then enter the trade. These price action areas are applicable everywhere and are very important. I ask you to mark these areas on your chart when you're backtesting your strategies, and start testing your strategy to see how excellent these levels are, and how they impact your trading success rate. Thank you so much for watching the video until the end. I hope you become better than yesterday every day, and trade more professionally.